Okay, guys, hopefully this is recording and you can see my screen. So thanks for spending a few times with me today. I am here to hopefully help you run a report and easily upload and print it from your Dymo. So I've already started the report only so I could hide a little bit of the information. So I'm going to run a team address report. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to start leadership report. I have gone to choose visible columns and I've removed everything so far. So then I'm going to choose visible columns so that I can tell it what I want to see. I'm going to purposely leave off names for privacy reasons. So come down and you're going to, I don't use the primary addresses. I'm going to actually go to, we want the ship city, postal code, state, address, street 1 and 2 in case they have like an apartment number. You want to make sure that you've included that. And that's all I need for this. And normally you would include the name as well. So we're going to hit OK. Then super easy, just export that to Excel. And I am not good with Excel. So if that's you and you're thinking, all right, she's going to lose me right about here, don't worry. I promise I won't, because Excel and I really aren't friends. So I'm going to name it. So I'm going to go up to File and let's see, what do I want to do here? Save as. I'm just going to call it Test 1. You make sure you remember what you name it and where you save it. I save everything to my desktop. It's easier for me, and then I can just kind of move it to the trash real easy. So that's saved. Now I'm going to open. Do I have my Dymo open? Nope, I don't. So let me go over here and open it. So this is pretty great because it's super easy to print, you know, hundreds of address labels. These are not shipping labels. This is the one I'm doing today is for just address labels. So the Dymo is open. I'm going to come up here to where it says File, and I'm going to do Import Data and Print. Click on New. Hit Next when you get to this screen. Right here, you're going to see this field, and next to it, it'll say Browse. So this is where you're going to find and locate your file. So mine is in my desktop, so I'm going to choose Desktop, and I named it Test. So we'll come down to Test, and we'll open it. Hit Next when you get to this screen. Now this is where you want to tell and like lay out your label a little bit. So, okay, so I don't have the name on here. So if I did, that would usually be field 1. So we're going to pretend the name is already in there. The first, after that, you're going to need the address, the street address. And then following that, you want to do this ship street 2, just in case, like I said, they do have an apartment number or a lot number or anything like that. That's where that would be included. Hit return or enter, and then you're going to go with your city, your state. Oops, I went too many times. Sorry about that. So we got city, state, and zip code, right? So you can preview it right here, and everything looks to be good. Hit next. And now everything is ready to go. Everybody's address label is going to print in the proper format, and you would honestly just hit print and all of those labels are going to print for you. It's that easy. I'm obviously not going to do that because I don't need to do this one already. I've already done it. So I just wanted to kind of show you that that's the easiest and the fastest way to run that specific report and have it all print to your Dymo. Just that easy. I hope that that was helpful for you. I appreciate you spending a few moments of your time with me today. Have a great day.